Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Braven XXL2 rugged portable Bluetooth speaker. Now you can pick this one up on Amazon. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, $250. Alright, so let's go through all of the features. It's IPX5, water resistant, dirt proof, and sand proof. Now for the battery, you're getting 18 hours worth of playtime. Now on the side note, if you're rocking that at max volume, you can pretty much cut that in half, so it's about 9 to 10 hours. Now you got loud 360-degree audio, you got a 100-foot Bluetooth range, you got a built-in power bank. The speaker features team mode. Now what that means is you can connect up to 100 XXL2s together, wirelessly. Now you got a magnetic bottle opener, an EQ, and a shoulder strap. Alright, so all of that for $250. Let's see what it is. Now at the end of this video, I'm going to answer 3 questions. Number 1, is this speaker worth $250? Number 2, does it sound better than the original Braven XXL? And number 3, how does it compare to the JBL Boombox 2 at half the price? Alright, so let's unbox it and see what it is. Alright, here's what you get in the box. Got your quick start guide, plug it and file it. Got a little Braven troll sticker, file that too. This is going to be your shoulder strap and your power cables. Alright, so here's the speaker. Now if you notice, it has a nice rugged design. On the top, you got a carrying handle. I would say the weight on this speaker is a little over 20 pounds. Now, I can easily lift this with one pinky. So that means even if you don't work out, you can carry this around. On the front, you got some Braven branding. This is a metal speaker grill. On the bottom, you got 4 rubber stoppers. That's going to keep it in place. On one side, you got your power button. This is your team mode. That's how you're going to link up multiple speakers. You got your Bluetooth pairing button. Plus and minus, volume up and down. You got play and pause. And you also have an EQ with an LED indicator. So you got volume, bass, and treble. And on the side note, that's your magnetic bottle top opener. That's a nice touch. On the other side, got your little water resistant flap. Underneath, you got auxiliary in. You got a microphone. This is your DC 2 volts. That's how you're going to plug it in. You got a USB out for charging up devices like a phone, a tablet, whatever you got on deck. And you got your reset button and a battery LED indicator. And that's pretty much it. Speaker grills on both sides look identical. All right, so let me show you what it's going to look like once you power it up.
Bluetooth pairing.
All right, so first, let's test the portable power bank. Plug in the phone. Charging right up. Okay, now let me show you how the button controls work. You got play and pause. One tap for that. If you want to raise the volume, you got volume up. If you want to lower the volume, you got volume down. Now, if you want to skip to the next song, you hold volume up. That'll skip. If you want to go to the previous track, hold volume down. That'll take you to the previous track. And if you want to control the EQ, you tap the power button once. That's treble. So you can increase or lower that. Tap it again. That's bass. Tap it one more time. Back to volume. All right, so now let's do a sound test. I'm going to start off at max volume. Don't forget to put your headphones on. Let's go. let's switch it up. Let's go. Alright, so I gotta be 100% honest with y'all. For $250, this is a major go. This might be the steal of the summer. Now, when this speaker first came out, it was $400. And I can understand at $400, that's a hard sell because you got the JBL Boombox. But at $250, yo, we gotta do a comparison with the JBL Boombox 2 because I think this one might sound just as good for half the price. Let me pull out my Boombox 2. Alright, so now we're going to do the JBL Boombox 2, which is my favorite boombox right now, for $500, versus the Braven XXL 2. Now, on a side note, both speakers are plugged in, so you're going to get maximum sound, and on the Braven, I set the EQ to its optimal settings. Put your headphones on. Let's start with the JBL Boombox 2.
Of 18.
Yeah. That shit. Queens. Yo. Try heavy. Yeah. High. Yo. What you know about playing the block with a pack in your drawers? Ready to clip the shit popped and we right back in the mall. Feeling another 6 drop when it was actually yours. Sound like hip hop when it was actually raw. I'm just a young trapper with a passion to floss. Plus I got a knack to get the package across.
Now here's the Braven XXL 2.
Of 18.
Yeah. That shit. Queens. Yo. Try heavy. Yeah. High. Yo. What you know about playing the block with a pack in your drawers? Ready to clip the shit popped and we right back in the mall. Feeling another 6 drop when it was actually yours. Sound like hip hop when it was actually raw. I'm just a young trapper with a passion to floss. Plus I got a knack to get the package across.
Now, I can clearly hear the difference in real life sitting here behind the camera. The JBL is louder, cleaner, and definitely has a more balanced sound. But listen one more time. Here's the JBL Boombox 2.
All borders, I be ballin' 4 quarters. Trying to find a purpose in the streets, scratch the surface. I seen these rappers nervous, black heat, black Suburbans. My ex-trapper got a job, so shit ain't working for her. If she don't pay a mortgage, then it's curtains for her. I told her welcome back and bought a Birkin for her.
Here's the Braven.
All borders, I be ballin' 4 quarters. Trying to find a purpose in the streets, scratch the surface. I seen these rappers nervous, black heat, black Suburbans. My ex-trapper got a job, so shit ain't working for her. If she don't pay a mortgage, then it's curtains for her. I told her welcome back and put a Birkin for.
Alright, so you heard it for yourself. The JBL Boombox 2 clearly sounds better, and it's still my favorite boombox in the $500 and under category. But overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, for $250, the Braven XXL 2 is a major, major, major go. This is the steal of the summer. Now, like I said, if I would have spent $400 for this, yeah, I would have been a little bit disappointed because I could have spent a little bit more and got a JBL Boombox. But at this price range, $250, instead of getting one JBL Boombox 2, you can get 2 of these. And that's definitely going to be more of a party than one JBL Boombox. These are IPX5 water resistant. You got 18 hours worth of playtime, 360-degree audio, 100 feet Bluetooth range. You got a built-in power bank. You can connect 100 of these at a time. You got a magnetic bottle opener. You got an EQ and a shoulder strap. Bro, for $250, this is a win. Anyway, Braven XXL 2, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. All right, so let me answer those 3 questions for you real quick. Number 1, is this speaker worth $250? The answer is yes, worth every penny. Number 2, does this speaker sound better than the original Braven XXL? And the answer is yes. It's louder and the bass is a lot cleaner. And number 3, does this sound better than the JBL Boombox 2? The answer is no. The JBL Boombox 2 is still the GOAT. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock won the beam up. Energize.
We're in a situation where everybody in the world uses technology. And if you're gonna buy some of that technology, you gotta understand certain things. Subscribe to Flossy Carter. He does reviews of all the latest technology. The iPhones, the iPads, the Galaxies, the Samsungs, whatever the fuck. The Beats by that doctor guy. And he puts his kitty cat in the videos too for you something to look at. You know, I'm an animal lover, so I like that shit. So make sure you hit the subscribe button to Flossy Carter on the YouTube, the follow button on the Instaface, and the like button on the Facelook. Because if you don't, we're gonna have a fucking problem here. A bad one. Now hit the fucking subscribe button.